Na mmiri emebisiara na m ihe o. Hey, Chineke. Ke mmiri mebiri m ebe a o. Hey. Aka ji m niile agbakachachana. Niile. Ku mmiri eme m arụ ebe a o. Hey. Hey, Chineke. Mmiri eme m arụ o. Ichi odumodu.
Ya o.
O tokwu na onwe ya.
Ọ na nke gị ka nsi.
Nna.
Esi gị na-eme ebe a.
Na mmiri kwatusiere m ji ebe a.
Ya o.
Odogwu.
Na nke gị ka nsi asị m ka njọ ọrụ gị gbasara nzukọ anyị nwere ụbọchị atọ ọ dị ga-adabazikwa.
Adabara akwanụ mmiri mebiri m ifo ikuku eku n'abalị kwatusiere m ji ebe a. So onye ka m mmekọcha aka ji nwee ike jebe. Ke maka ndị be gị.
Ha bụcha mama ndị nke gị.
Na-asa ajụ. Ogini.
Ask him what he wants. Ask him.
Why are you pursuing him?
What happened?
Chief, I was just coming. He started pushing me.
Eh? You not tell them what you did.
What did I do?
This boy, see, he's my friend. You see this boy? I allowed him. He came to my house. He was playing Ludo on top of my sister.
Is it true?
Chief, I was just playing Ludo with his sister.
You are playing Ludo with my sister? Let me ask you. You don't play Ludo before, eh? Tell me, make I ask you. Not only tiki you gonna hear. No, tell me. So, I did outside the hear, I'm be education. I did outside the only time I do tiki.
Where you did that time?
I did outside now.
You didn't hear what they talk?
That's outside the yam. No, top of my sister, they do tiki.
Not true?
Nah. Only small thing. I just do with it in sister.
You look my sister finish. Now you tell me say na small you do.
You just they do small thing. On top of his sister.
Chief.
See, in a federal phone. Not a good man. Drop that here and last first. Before we go, I say obey chief, otherwise I go come masquerade for you. It's not good to use cutlass to pursue somebody because if you kill somebody, you know what? We would like to settle this matter so you don't come to our domot.
That's so now make we settle am. Na the thing we
ego na ka icho ka we settle all.
Ego, money. See, this is when they talk like the first me. Now the only thing why I want to make this guy head come out from here. That I make him come out.
Make him come beg you, uncle.
Beg me, I don't need that.
Suppose if the head come out, you don't get the thing where you look.
Don't finish. Once the head come out, I see the head life for grand.
No be afraid.
And I know now before. That one yesterday. Beg.
We don't have time. Do you have a sister?
Yes, Chief.
She's there around. So you will take your sister. You go give him. Make him do as you do in sister.
But as small I do now.
Shut up!
Sorry, Chief.
Take your sister. You go give the so-called education. Maybe you go tell her what you go do. You go bring your sister, give him. You say, make him do as you do. You hear them?
Yes, Chief.
You hear them? When they bring your sister, you go do him as you don't marry.
I never marry now.
You don't marry?
Never marry.
I never marry.
So you never marry. Go there eat if everybody have fun. If you talk again,
I never.
Take this
I think you never marry.
I never marry.
Go bring your sister. Give her to your friend the education.
Bam.
Education. that place when him dey do am, we dey for love, come on.
When the guy, that place where they play that
Siki. Eh? That place, if him bring his sister, he go give you. You go play the Siki back for his sister. When that thing when him do your sister, make you do am back.
Wait, when I go tell him make him do small, why do? Because that's not what I do. Now small, why do?
You no go tell him how much he go do.
You make you tell me the time where you go, when you carry your sister.
Where they bring your sister?
Now where you want make a bring her now?
Oh, let me go tell you.
I want you to bring her na today.
No. Not bring her now. My sister will soon come back from school. Now tomorrow morning, early in the morning, you go bring her.
Around what time?
Around 10.
10.
Even 9 itself. At least we go do them from 9, 10, 12.
Okay. And if you now accept what we judge, we bring it to Amo, we use masquerade on you, or we use masquerade on you. Agreement is agreement.
Hey, make them go now.
Eh? You don't hear them?
You play with education.
Give them a knife.
You play with education.
No, don't go this side. Go this side.
Go this side.
Go this side.
Make una tell me.
They go.
Go this side. Oh, yeah. You follow this side.
One promote person head.
You follow this side.
I go make sure say I do your sister the user. Small like this.
You they go this.
My sister you want finish.
Tomorrow you go in a reef for phone.
You not gonna recognize your sister again.
When I get an area, we have a phone. Yeah, to yeah, when they be when you're young.
Maybe God got
Go and thank your God because of this and that.
Nah, even when you have phone, I carry.